Hello friends, today I want to share with you about Torrey Testimony. He was a very famous evangelist, but during his childhood he was unbelievers. Of course, his mother was a very devoted Christian, but still he did not believe God as well as the Bible. His mother used to tell him, Jesus died on the cross for our sins, and also we are sinners. We need to confess our sins. When we believe Christ, we will have a forgiveness of sin. When Torrey heard about it, he did not listen. And he doesn't want to hear the voice of the gospel. He only looked for the pleasures of the world, and he lived that kind of life. One day, such conversation, Torrey became very angry with his mother because his mother used to share the gospel. Torrey decided to leave the home. He said, I will not bother anymore, and I will leave home. He took the decision so strongly. His mother told him that, Torrey, do not take such decisions, because you are going the wrong way. But Torrey was adamant. He did not want to listen to his mother's advice. Before he left the home, his mother told him, Torrey, when you seems to be hopeless, please call upon the name of the Jesus Christ. He will help you. That last word is given by his mother. And he left home and he looked for the pleasure of the world, and he was living the worldly pleasure. And when he was living different kind of the pleasures things, but the interesting thing is, he may look for the pleasures of the world, but still he didn't get the pleasure. He feels himself emptiness because none of the pleasures of the world could satisfy him. And he lived as he liked, but still there is no peace and joy and happiness. No one can feel the vacuum of the heart. Because of that reason, he was dying himself. The loneliness and insecurity engulfed him. Day by day, he was so frustrated. He did not want to live anymore the world because of the problems, because of there is no peace. One day, he wanted to die himself, and he went to suicide. Because of that reason, he tried to take out from the dresser the revolver. But when he is supposed to take the revolver, he remembered his mother's last word. That is, please, if you are in the trouble, if we don't have any hope left, and if we feel that there is no hope, there is no something which we can get the peace and joy, if there is no way, everything is closed now, then please call upon the name of the Lord Jesus Christ, then He will help you. When he remembered that the mother's last word, he called to God, Oh God, my mother God, heard such pain, please help me. He prayed it. When he prayed, he feels something, and he began to get the peace and joy within himself, and he feels something different. And from that moment, he began to receive, because the Holy Spirit convicted him that he was sinner. And from there, he didn't suicide himself, but he came to Christ and he repented himself. And after that, many years later, he became very outstanding evangelist and famous. So, friends, today we talk about Torrey Testimony. He was a very famous evangelist today. Today, how God works people are, we know that we may be sinful and we may be looked for the pleasures of the world, but still God is waiting us. If we repent our sins, if we come to Christ, then God will help us. So friends, today, what is our job today? What we need to do is we have to come to Christ and we have to obey what God says. Friends, today I want to share only this much today. Thank you for everyone for watching this video.